Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and now here we are showing you a 4 BHK villa with gated community facilities. Ready to move, unfurnished, brand new villa for sale in Tellapur. Here you can see the outside view and you can see the elevation of villa. So this is the main entrance. Now we are taking you inside the villa. And this is the ground floor. In ground floor we have kitchen, bedroom, and spacious living area, office space, and lift provision is also available. So this is the spacious living area, and now we are entering into bedroom. This is the guest bedroom, which is designed with an attached washroom as you see here. This is the common wash area. And this is lift provision given beside the office space. And right side of entrance we have office space. And now we are going to upstairs. So here is the staircase and we are moving towards the first floor. On the first floor we have a puja room and spacious hall with attached balcony, and we have children bedroom and master bedroom. And this is the living area on the first floor, which is designed with a spacious attached balcony. Here is the puja room. And this is spacious balcony with beautiful project view. And now we are taking you into the kids bedroom. This bedroom also has an attached washroom with dressing area. And here on the first floor we have the spacious master bedroom with attached wash area. Here is the dressing area, and this is an attached wash area. And now we are going to upstairs towards the terrace. Now in front you can see the home theatre room. This is fourth bedroom, and this bedroom also has an attached washroom. Here you can take the view of an open terrace with attached washroom. It's a very spacious villa, and this is the terrace view. And now we can see the outside garden area of villa. And this villa also has a servant room with attached wash area. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for more site visits, inquiries, you can call us at the given number.